Hello, my name is Maki Ito. My presentation theme is Speed of Learning Choreography. I'd like to talk about the differences between people who can learn dance choreography quickly and who don't. This is today's outline. When you dance, you use not only your body, but also your brain. One example is the learning dance choreography. Regardless of the dance skills, some people can learn choreography in a short time, but others take long time. There are many articles about the methods of learning choreography in a short time on the internet, but there is little scientific research. The purpose of this research is to reveal the differences between people who learn choreography in a short time and who don't. I researched from 3 different perspectives: the ability to memorize and the amount of experience and how to memorize. I investigated them based on scientific research. First, differences in ability to memorize. According to the research by Koyama, Kokubo, and Ueno in 2009, when we try to remember dance choreography, the amount of oxygen hemoglobin tends to increase in the prefrontal areas on both sides of your brain. These areas have an important role in cognitive tasks. When we try to accomplish some tasks, it select and hold the information when it is necessary to do it. In addition, the choreography that you learn is stored in short-term memory at first, and short-term memory is processed in the hippocampus of the brain. According to Kakigi, after memories enter the brain, according to Kakigi in 2014, after memories enter the brain, the hippocampus decides which short-term memory is necessary, and if it is judged as necessary, it is transferred to long-term memory. These facts suggest that people who learn choreography in a short time either have active prefrontal areas and hippocampus, or they know their own ways to keep short-term memory for a long time. Next theme is about differences in the amount of experience. According to the research by Calvo Merino, people who have been dancing for many years and many experiences tend to learn it more quickly. He focused on the classical mirror area. It was shown the stronger ball signal when people saw the choreography that includes the movement that they have learned before than when they saw the choreography that they don't know at all. Ball signal means an increase of brain activity. There is another research by Akira. He said that the human mirror neuron system recognize movement by differing their past experience and exercise experience. From these studies, mirror neurons in the brains of people who have learned more choreography before are more active when they learn new one. The third topic is about the differences how to memorize choreography. According to the research by Takano in 2013, there are differences in the way to memorize choreography between people who are skilled dancers and beginner dancers. Skilled dancers tend to try to recognize the entire flow at first, and they are enjoying dancing without worrying about mistakes. But in contrast, beginner dancer doesn't understand the entire flow of the choreography. They are always watching and imitating the teacher's movements So, in order not to make mistakes, according to the research by Bower, we remember structured information more easily than unstructured information. There is another research by NTT Docomo and Sraranet. It shows that people score higher on memory tests when they are in positive emotion than in negative emotion. Today I talked about the differences between people who learn choreography quickly and who don't. This study reviews the characteristics of people who learn choreography in a short time. First, they have active prefrontal cortex and hippocampus. Also, they know their own way to remember choreography. Secondly, people who have been dancing for many years tend to learn it more quickly because their mirror neuron system work well. Thirdly, they try to recognize the entire flow of the choreography and they are enjoying dancing without worrying about mistakes. This is today's references. Thank you for your time today.